Today I want to share with you how I made this viral flower pot, or I should say flower vase, at home. I used my old rag or old cloth to make this. I've been seeing these videos on my FYP and I loved it, but they were made by AI, so I decided to make it at home, try to see if the result is going to come out good. And guess what? It did come out good. So stay tuned as I share with you the process of making this. It's so simple to make. Once you have your cement and your cloth, you'll be able to do this. So don't forget to like and subscribe. The result is going to be at the end. Just that I don't know the color to paint it. Okay. I don't know whether I should go with gold or silver. I think those two, gold, silver, or white. I think these three colors are okay. Just that I don't know which one exactly to go for, because under people's videos I've been seeing people commenting on the colors they choose, and they say it's okay to leave it in the natural state. So let me know after watching to the end if I should leave it as it is or I should spray. All right, so let's get into the video. So I wanted it to get a stronger base, so I used two cloths. The first one is a bit lighter and this one is thicker, which is going to be at the bottom. Okay, so you realize this is smaller than the other one. I wanted to have a thicker base so it can sit properly. But you can decide to leave out this and then make something else so it can stand on it. You understand? Because it's in a round shape, it's difficult to stand. But if you make it in a square shape, I think it will be easier for it to stand on its own without having support. You understand? So let's get right into the video. One thing I forgot to do is to protect myself. Okay, always make sure you have your gloves, you have your nose mask or face mask, something to protect yourself whilst doing this. Even though it's not too harmful, but cement is strong. Okay, so you need to protect yourself. Okay, so when trying to do this at home, make sure you have your gloves, make sure you have your nose masks, and then you are good to go. All right, so this is so because of this I bought a whole cement. Yes, I bought a whole cement, but I didn't use all. I still have some left, which I'm going to use to make actual flower pots, so I can use to decorate my pots, my porch actually. Yeah, so I've learned so much, and I'll be sharing with you as a mother, as a father, as a stay-at-home mom, as someone who works from home. You can do this. I asked for the price of one flower pot and I was amazed. Okay, I was amazed. Just when I asked for the price, I saw videos of it on Instagram where it was AI making it. I was like, wow, let me try this out. I was so determined. I was so determined, and I did it, and I'm so proud of myself. So all you need to do here is to mix your cement with water. Don't let it be too light, not too thick as well, and then immerse your cloth into it. Mix, and then you see the setup I've made behind with the box and the bucket. Okay, you need to get a bucket. If you don't have a box, it's okay, you can get a tall bucket, and then after immersing the cloth in the water in the mixture, make sure every part of the cloth is soaked with the mixture. Okay, make sure it's soaked with the mixture. If it's not enough, you add more water, and then you mix it together, and then you hang it. It could be any shape you want. Okay, any style, you just design it anyhow you want it. Okay, Just make sure one side is, it could be even. You can also make it in a way that one side will be longer than the other, you know. Yeah, so this is how mine came out. And then before it dries, make sure you style it however you want, because once it gets dried, you're not going to have the opportunity to style it. So style it and then put it in a shape however you want it, and it's going to come out good. After 2 days, that was when I realized it was getting harder. Okay, it's been 5 days now. It's really hard, and I can start using it. Yeah. So I added the residue of this mixture, you know, the cement and the water. I added it. I poured it over and I tried styling it in a certain way, but it didn't work that way. So I just styled it in a normal way. Okay. So make use of the residue, make use of the remaining cement, pour it over it, and then it's going to help it become harder. Okay. And you need to handle it with care when it dries. Okay. I'm not sure I'm going to put it in the porch because it may get wet when it rains because it's cloth. So the ideal place to put this will be in the hall, in the room, hallway, you know, anywhere apart from outside. Yeah, so that's where I'm going to put this. And when I'm done with everything, I'm going to let you know how it looks. But I'm not going to put sand in, you know, I'll just put some stones and then artificial flowers. Yeah, and I think that will work. So at this point, I don't know which color to use, whether I should leave it in this natural state or paint or even spray it in white, gold or silver. As you can see, it's hard. Yeah, it's hard. So yeah, let me know in the comment section which color will be best to use. Yeah, considering the tiles I've used on my wall, because it's going to be, well, it's going to be in the room though. Yeah, it's going to be in the room. So I think gold would be okay. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section.